Did you know that the unpleasant smell from your mouth might not be due to bad oral hygiene, but could actually be caused by tiny hard stones lodged in your tonsils? Yes, you heard it right. There's a hidden world of tonsil stones lurking right within your mouth. This is a condition that many of us live with, often unknowingly. These tiny stones can be the real culprits behind that persistent bad breath. So, what exactly are these tonsil stones, and why do they occur? Tonsil stones are small, hard deposits that form in the tonsils, often causing discomfort and bad breath. They are also known as tonsilloliths and can appear as tiny white or yellow specks on your tonsils. Let's delve deeper into understanding these pesky little stones. Tonsil stones are primarily caused by the accumulation of various materials in the crypts of your tonsils. These materials include debris, bacteria, and dead cells that are trapped in the crevices of your tonsils. Over time, these substances can harden and calcify, resulting in the formation of tonsil stones. Now, you might wonder, why do some people get tonsil stones while others don't? Well, it's largely due to the structure of your tonsils. People with larger tonsils or more crevices in their tonsils are more likely to develop tonsil stones than those with smoother tonsils. And what about the symptoms? The most common symptom of tonsil stones is bad breath, but don't just blame your garlic-laden lunch for that. Tonsil stones can give you a case of persistent bad breath that doesn't go away, even with brushing and mouthwash. Other symptoms can include throat discomfort, difficulty swallowing, and a metallic taste in the mouth. But now that we understand what causes tonsil stones, how can we effectively deal with them? Although tonsil stones might not pose a serious health threat, they can significantly impact your quality of life. They can lead to discomfort and even pain in the throat, making it difficult to swallow food or drink. This physical discomfort can be a constant reminder of their presence, adding stress to your everyday life. But the impact goes beyond physical symptoms. Tonsil stones can cause bad breath, which can affect your social interactions. Imagine being hesitant to speak up in a meeting or lean in for a close conversation because you're worried about your breath. This can lead to feelings of embarrassment and self-consciousness, impacting your confidence and mental well-being. Moreover, the persistent need to clear your throat or cough due to tonsil stones can be disruptive, affecting your ability to communicate effectively. So, we've established that tonsil stones can be a nuisance, but the good news is they can be managed and even prevented. Managing and preventing tonsil stones involves a combination of good oral hygiene practices and dietary changes. These tiny yet bothersome formations can be kept at bay with a few simple but effective habits. Firstly, brushing and flossing your teeth regularly can't be stressed enough. This reduces the amount of bacteria and food debris in your mouth, which are the primary culprits behind tonsil stones. Aim to brush at least twice a day and floss once daily, paying special attention to the back of your mouth, where tonsil stones often form. Staying well hydrated is another crucial habit. Drinking plenty of water not only keeps you healthy overall, but it also helps to clean your mouth by washing away food particles and bacteria. Hydration also promotes saliva production, which naturally cleans your mouth and prevents tonsil stones. Lastly, your diet plays a significant role in preventing these pesky stones. Certain foods, particularly dairy products and sugar-laden snacks, can contribute to the formation of tonsil stones. While these foods aren't entirely off limits, moderation is key. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins instead. By adopting these simple habits, you can take control of your oral health and say goodbye to tonsil stones. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to your health. So why not start today and pave the way to a healthier, tonsil stone-free future? It's astonishing how little changes can have such a big impact on our health, isn't it? Let's recap. Understanding tonsil stones, their impact, and how to manage them is crucial. It's about more than just discomfort or embarrassment. It's about your health, your well-being. The knowledge you've gained today can empower you to make the right decisions for your health. So stay informed and proactive. Stay informed and take charge of your health. Subscribe for more content and become a part of our health enthusiast community.